Veritas Learning Circle is built on the hope that our space will be a place where people find their own individual truths, their own paths. It demands daring and believing, trying and failing, and trying again because we have decided to stay true to who we are. At Veritas Learning Circle, we have been saying loud and proud. There is no one way to be happy or successful, and every day, every minute spent at VLC, we remember it is our definition, our path, our personal truth that matters. That is the way of joy, and that is the way we'll go. It has been our aspiration to create an inclusive setup where the kids are given the space to just be. We believe empathy cannot be taught, it is experienced and role modeled as a daily practice. Self esteem is not just a buzzword, but a recognition that a healthy relationship with self is a prerequisite for a healthy relationship with others. We consider the environment as a third teacher. Our beautifully set up classrooms are an integral part of the learning process, and learning can and does happen anywhere and everywhere. Curiosity and creative expressions are a way of life. Our intention is to provide a literacy rich environment with the best books out there. The joy of reading allows the kids to fully immerse in the world of fantasy where nothing is impossible. With technological advancements happening at an exponential rate, we believe to equip the kids with tools such as coding and robotics. However, self awareness and compassion remain our core. VLC is a place where boys can cry and girls are beautifully strong. A place where beauty is defined in terms of character, and a place where love is the driving force behind everything we do. Our parents partner with us in making learning fun and agree that there are no winners in the rat race. Instead of shaming the child into excellence, they work with us in allowing the child to find his unique strengths and develop at his own pace. On this journey, we have been blessed with some of the most curious, creative, and compassionate individuals who have joined us in this mission and become part of our community. It's our creative playground, the dream school we all wished we had growing up.